soup.
So it is finally soup season officially. Well, here in South Florida, we never really get an official soup season because it's going to be hot, cold, and a little bit of both throughout the whole day. But watch me as I make this chicken soup for the soul my way. It has a little bit of influence from the Caribbean and a little bit of my own twist to it. Nonetheless, this soup was banging, full of vegetables, full of flavor, full of nutrients. Hopefully you enjoy it, and hopefully you get a chance to make it yourself.
And yeah, let's go check the broth. All right, we are back. I'm gonna go ahead and turn down the heat. My broth is smelling good. Go ahead and take off the lid. Wow. I didn't use no chicken broth. No chicken broth. Everything is totally from scratch, as we would say in my community. That's a nice color. Look at that. You see that thyme and all of them fresh vegetables. And got my peppers. Those peppers smell so good. Oh my gosh. And it didn't make the soup too hot, so it's not too spicy. I added in a little bit of pink salt. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. It's good. It's good. I get this from Tati, my classmate. This is your sign to make some more cooking videos. Because instead of using a broth, I'm gonna add a can of V8. I'm gonna give it another layer of flavor with the vegetable juice and make the broth thick without using like a box or a canned chicken broth. Right? I'm gonna pick the heat up again.
Now, I know what you may be thinking. A can of V8? Really? That's how you get your color? Don't knock it until you try it. But hopefully the internet police ain't watching. Like I said at the beginning, this is my way of making soup. Hopefully this inspires you to just make some chicken soup and send me the pictures.
Man, that right there. Man, let me add these dumplings right here. Hope I know how to do this still. It's been a while. Ooh. I feel very doughy, so I ain't gonna put too much flour on it. Well, put too much water on it. I think I need more, yeah. That's gonna need more flour. All right, that's a blooper, okay? Back, I added a little more flour. There we go. That was a big one. Next time. So I added my veggies. Such a hearty soup. I added my plantains, my carrots, my spinach. I added a look at that yellow yam. Look at that chicken. Dumplings. We are in there like swimwear, baby. Would you smash or pass? Hearts in the comment if you would smash this soup. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I think if I'm gonna put some of this soup, I'd let it be for the well-being and nourishment of my body in Jesus' name. Get nice and spicy, but not too spicy. Go ahead and put my feet up. Eating this from the couch. And it's very hearty. That's what I love. Soupy soup is nice, but hearty soup, oh my gosh. I'm about to finish the bowl on camera.